In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and embed different types of sign-up forms in Constant Contact. In order to do that, you first need to head over to constantcontact.com, and then from in there, you can actually just input right here your email address in order to actually sign up. Then click on this button in order to get 14 days free trial using that. Once you already have an account, just proceed to click on this login right here. Now here is my dashboard. Let's first try to create a sign-up form. On your left sidebar, you can expand channels, and in here is the sign-up forms. Click on this right here. Once you have done that, this will actually load the sign-up forms that you can actually create. From in there, you can actually create a sign-up form. So for example, let's try to click on this create sign-up form right here. So I already have in here this landing page with the sign-up landing page, so you can just proceed to create it. So I have in here this, so let's head over and edit this one. Proceed to edit your sign-up form, and once you have done that, next thing you need to do is to click on continue. You can see in here next your actual thank you form. Click on continue from there as well. After that, this will actually show up the sign-up form right here. And from in there, you can see that it's under preview. You can change its metadata and page settings. Now head over and click on continue next. Click on activate in order to make your form live. As you can see, here is the URL of the landing page, the page title, the expiration. You can see its reports as well. If you want, you can click onto the share option and you can post it on social, or if you want to embed it, you can embed a link and then add it as an HTML into your actual website that you want. So you can choose in here all of these options to actually share this particular sign up form. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.